In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Instagram schedule post not working. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is launch your Instagram, navigate to your profile page, click on three bars, scroll down, head over to the option account type and tools, click on the option switch to professional account, click on next, select what best describes you and click on switch to professional profile. Now go ahead and select what type of professional are you, business or creator, and click on next. Now review your contact info, provide these details and click on next. You can review and complete these steps. Once you switch to professional account, you'll be good to go. Now you'll be able to schedule post. If you are still not getting the option update Instagram, so navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Instagram. If you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next thing you want to do is log out and log in back to Instagram account. So launch your Instagram app, navigate to the settings and activity page, scroll all the way down, log out of your account, wait for a few minutes and log in back. Lastly, if the solution didn't work out for you, completely delete Instagram app. Press and hold on the app Instagram, select remove app, click on delete app and click on delete. Now head over to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Instagram and install it. That's it for this video. These are some fixes for Instagram schedule post not working. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.